All right, we are here. It's actually a nice Monday, or it's not even Monday. It's a Tuesday. It's pajama day, so I'm ready to go back to sleep. Yeah, it is pajama day. Tomorrow is Inside Out day. Don't not Inside Out clothes. Inside Out movie day, and then Thursday is this, and then Friday. Apparently, everybody likes to dress like Adam Sandler. For some reason, I guess he's waiting around for somebody to play Gangnam Style. All right, if you hadn't done so, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. This is our last of the free review sheets we've had for our Unit 3 tip. Now, I'm expecting great things from this test as somebody's phone goes doo 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 doo. That would be great. Okay, so on my orange sheet, okay, for part one, because I do not give you actually the like formulas. Let's see. Part one. I actually put the slope formula on there. Now I know y'all take pictures and stuff of like my orange sheet. Y'all know that this is like uploaded to Schoology later, right? Really? I did not know. Okay, but guess where all this stuff is found? Guess where I got all this information? Anybody want to take a guess? Yeah, the notes. Legit. Yeah. Got all this. Now, I put a little extra this time because sometimes, y'all need a little extra. So, going through my stuff. All right. Oh, don't forget to put your name on your stuff. So, right here, we know these two are going to be on top. We know these two are going to be on bottom. Okay. So, using our calculator, because that's the easiest way, and then 2 minus 3. All right. Bam. We get 4. That is our slope. Okay. So, 4 minus 8 and then 2 minus 3. Bless you. That is our slope right there. That is our M. Okay. 4 points for that. Okay. Now, point slope. The number one question I have asked every time I've given y'all one of these handouts in both classes is where does the X and Y go on point slope? And then part of my brain like because like it's in the notes. Now, if you weren't here, I understand, but 98% of the people that ask this question are people that are here like all the time. Okay, so there's your formula. So if you needed to, I don't know, uh, if you had to like do a little extra note for this for point slope for your orange sheet, just a just a little lanyap, a little extra. You could sit there and write this in as no, we don't want all that crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's funny. Our Y1 goes here, our M goes here, our X1 goes here. Okay, if you needed to do that. Okay, that might be a little good thing. All right, so I tell you what to use for your x1, y1. So this is your m. This goes here. This is your y1. This goes here. This is your x1. This goes here. 4 points for that. You don't even have to solve anything. You just plug it in. Wow. It's amazing. Okay. Amazing. All right. Now, I didn't put this in my orange sheet yet because I'm actually going to pull this example in. How to go from point slope to slope intercept. Remember, we distribute, okay? So this would be 4 minus, or y minus 4 equals 4x. Let's see, 4, and that would be 8. Okay, then I'm going to add 4. Okay, and come on, come on. So right here, and then y equals 4x minus 4. Okay, so just to distribute and then move that over to get to here is another 4 points. Has anybody figured out that I'm trying to help y'all out in as much way possible? Yes. Okay. Maybe, kind of, sort of. Okay. So, on my orange sheet, so I put right here slope intercept, y equals mx plus b. Y-intercept's the number without x, usually at the end of the equation. And slope is the number beside x. You know, stuff, again, from the notes. Okay? So, and it's not like I'm, you know, imagine if there was like, there probably is like secret educational websites on the dark web. It's not like it's some big hitting gem or something like some super secretist thing. It's from the notes. The notes. Okay. So going back. So my y-intercept is negative 4. My slope is a fraction, is 4 over 1. It's positive, so I would go up 4 to the right 1. Okay. All that good to go. Now, our grid over here is actually kind of close. I can pull it in some more. All right, so y-intercept negative 4. I'm going to see this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Right there. Okay? I can go up 4 over 1, over 1, up 4. It does not matter. That's where my next point is going to be. Okay? Now, you could do 2 points. 2 points is fine. I normally do 3 just because that's a Mr. Jeffries thing. I'm not really looking for multiple. I'm going to tell you what I'm looking for right here. Okay, for when I grade this. Okay, I'm looking for your B. I'm looking for slope and arrows on line. What I wrote in pink, that's what I'm looking for when I'm grading it. Okay? Now, if you mess up somewhere further up, back over there, like on your slope where it jacks up all that stuff, I'm going to grade this based off what you have here. Okay. I know for some of y'all that's still a crazy concept, but not too awful bad. Did anybody like, did anybody's brain glitch when they were trying to do this one this morning? Maybe not. How many of y'all's brain hadn't had hit startup mode because we had a nice weekend or at least a break from school for a couple of days? Maybe not a nice weekend. All right. So if I was pulling stuff in for my orange sheet, I would, you know, put in this stuff and I would basically all this information that I had here. I wouldn't do the graph unless you just really, really want to. Okay. But that's all the information that I would put right there. I'd basically put this. Okay. Because I wouldn't want to do too much. If you can do it for one, you should be able to do it for the other one. Though I don't know. Some people in my classes this time, y'all will do one exactly perfect and decide to do something totally different on the second one. Let's try something new. Okay, no, this is this is not like like rearranging your furniture or something. Okay, all right. So number two, slope. You can't subtract the six in the and sign. That would be funny though. So you should get two turds. Okay, let's double check myself. Allow myself to introduce myself. All right, yeah, you do get two turds. So how many of y'all, when y'all found a slope of two turds, you thought, oh wow, I'm not going to have to graph this one? What? Are y'all talking to me or y'all talking to each other? Like your lips are moving, there's sound coming out, but I can't hear you at all. Okay, so that must not be a conversation for me. Okay, so our five goes here, our three goes here, our two turds goes here. Okay, so when we are doing this one, all right, we're going to leave this alone. 2/3 times x is just 2/3 x. Okay. Now, 2/3 times 3. Oh, fractions. Wow. I can't multiply fractions. Use the calculator. Okay. So I'm going to get -2 right here. Then add 5. Add 5. That's a weird looking 5 over here. Doop, doop. All right. So we should get y equals 2/3 x plus 3. Okay. So you can graph this one. It's almost like the person that actually made this took the time to make sure that you could do this one, which is really weird because that person is me. And y'all aren't used to me doing stuff like that. Me? All right. So y-intercept should be 3. Slope is a fraction. If you have a slope that is a fraction and you jack up messing it up as a fraction, okay, there's I don't know what to do for you. Okay. Um, up to the right 3. All right. Somebody, I have a feeling though. I think I should purposely put a fraction on here just so somebody asks me tomorrow, how do I write a fraction as a fraction for slope? Just to see if it happens. I know it's going to. It will. At least at least once in one of the classes, it will. Oh yeah, you're giving your classmates way too much credit. You should have been there when I was telling a student on the last test. You multiply 15 and 75. What? I literally told them what to do. They still got it wrong. Okay, so y-intercept is 3. So 1, 2, 3 is here. I go up 2, 1, 2 to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Ta-da! Super duper crazy hard. All right. So is everybody okay with part 1, numbers 1 and 2? Yes. Okay. Sounds very thrilling. All right. Part 2. So, part 2 on my orange sheet, I just wrote this. Okay. Yes. Yes, you may. All right. So, that's how you find your x and y intercepts. Okay. I still didn't give y'all enough room right here. 7, 7. So x equals 6. All right. So remember, we're going to divide. It doesn't matter if it's a negative or not. We're going to divide each time. All right. I need to move myself over. Okay. So 2, 4, 6. So negative 7 is here. Positive 6 is here. I'm drawing a line that looks like this. There we go. Okay. Now, this line it barely went through this y-intercept, but at least it went through it. I still need to be able to see it. Please don't put your arrows on the y-intercepts. That's really hard to see. Or the x-intercepts. Remember, as you probably learned in your language arts classes, you write for your audience. Your audience is me, so you want to make sure I can see it easily. Don't make me have to bring out the magnifying glass over here like a super sleuth. Have y'all ever seen a teacher actually had to use like a magnifying glass when they're doing grading a test? No, it's quite funny. I do say so. All right, are we going to number 3? Okay, so again, if I was bringing stuff in for my orange sheet, ooh, that zoomed in a lot. That's kind of what I would do for that. Again, just me, you know. All right, and what's funnier than number 3 is number 4. Negative 2x equals 18. All right, so x equals negative 9. Oh, biscuits. And then so negative 9 is here. 6 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And mm, so I hope so. If not, you need to go see a doctor. Can I go? I still think my response is a lot better than I don't know. Can you? See, my response is a lot better. Like, if you can't go to the bathroom, you may need to go see a doctor. Okay. So, all right. Everybody go number 4, number 7. X equals 6. And then negative 2. Okay, that's almost more better. Okay. And is everybody good with this one? Okay, number 8. Yes, I know the numbering is still wrong. That's what makes life exciting. So x equals 3. Let's see. Can I pull? No, can't pull that up anymore. And then -6. And let's watch me miss this just one more time. And there we go. All right, so hopefully between all this review stuff, I know some people will say, I still don't think I'm prepared. Well, there's only so much I can do. All right. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.